step into the Nissan 2018 Altima 2.5S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM CD/MP3 audio system, CD player, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.